Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to sounds and vibration and click on volume. Here you can increase or decrease and control volumes like ringtone, media, notification system, etc. So to adjust the ringtone volume, just move this cursor to the right side. So this will be the increasing volume. Okay, that is increasing ringtone volume. If you decrease to the left side, it will decrease. It will decrease gradually, and this is no sound. Okay. So in this way you can easily adjust the ringtone volume. Then media. In a similar way, if you move to the right side, volume will increase. Media volume will increase. If you move to the left side, media volume will be decreased. Okay. In the similar way, for notification also you can adjust the volume of notification like this. For the system volume also you can choose this part to adjust. So in this way, here you can control ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone. Simultaneously, there is a alternatively other way is also available. Just press volume up button or volume down button, whatever may be. So this is for increasing ringtone volume and ringtone volume. This is if you press up button, it will increase. If you press down button, it will decrease. And for other volumes, click on these three dots and other volumes will appear here. This is, I think, a system volume. If you move up, volume will increase. If you move down, volume will decrease. So in this way you can easily control ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.